People ask me what happens from getting me to having a home loan. So I just wanted to share what the process from a refinance to the day you finish that loan, or you got an accepted offer on a house, and now how do you get to the day to buy the home? First thing that a lender will do is we have to create a loan disclosure package. It's going to include things like a loan estimate that shows you the payment information and the fees associated with your loan. A loan application form gets filled out. It has all the detailed information about your history, about income, debts, credit profile, and loan type, things like that. Then there's a bunch of disclosures just to cover things that have happened to make sure that you're informed about the loan that you're trying to obtain. We gather that signed loan application. Then we have to also gather documents for you about income, identification, bank statements, maybe child support papers, tax returns, W-2s, and maybe some more unique things depending upon your situation. Then all that information is gathered. We have to do verifications on all that information with employers, the post office for addresses being used. Title company has to be hired to look at the research, the titling history of the house. An appraisal has to be ordered to establish the value of the house. Then all that information is taken and sent to an underwriter. An underwriter's role is to check all your information on the documentation and compare it to the lending rules for the loan type that you are trying to obtain, and make sure there's none of the lending rules being violated. Once they check that, most times they have some questions, and then we come back to you, and some of the questions involve you and we'll need a little more documentation, and some don't involve you. We take care of those, and then we submit it back to the underwriter for a second review. Usually in a second review, that results in a term that we use called clear to close. That means you have finished with the underwriting process and you're now ready to obtain the home loan, to buy the house, or finish your refinance. Then we're going to get you the final numbers, so you know exactly what everything is on a closing disclosure. And then you go to the title company and you sign the paperwork to finish the loan, and your loan starts that day.